Hello all, welcome back to Audiology with Khwaja. In this video, we will see about how to make use of this WHO course certificates which you have with you to get the 50 CRE points as promised by RCI. So begin with, let's look at what the circular was, and you have to qualify all these 5 things to get the 50 CRE points. The first one, it should be the 10 courses out of the 12 courses that the RCI has recommended, out of which the course 1 and 6 are mandatory. The second one, you cannot attend more than one course in a day, which means if you have 10 certificates, it should have 10 different dates. The third one, it has to be submitted in a prescribed format. And this thing, sending it to email is not working anymore, so you don't need to worry about it. The fourth one, this is the 50 CRE points which will be given to the successful candidates. And the fifth one, the most important one, is that the courses should have been completed before 30th June of 2020. So which is approximately 1 year before. This certificates, the certificates which you have, the 10 certificates, it should be having, it should be dated before 30th June 2020 for it to be considered for 50 CRE points. Next, as usual, we will start with Google. We will type in the Rehabilitation Council of India login and then choose the third one, e-registration portal, then press login. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how to sign up. If you don't have an account, please sign up, and the procedure is in the previous video, which the link is available in the description. By now I presume that you have an user ID and password. Please enter that, and then you have to enter the codes. Okay, after entering, it is going to look like this. Once you are done, press OK. It is going to take you to the dashboard. This is how a dashboard looks like. By trying various applicants ID, I got to know that immediately, because of some error, it is going to show you someone else's photo, someone else's name. Don't get shocked. Keep pressing the other tabs here. You can check personal information, you can check online application. Just to randomly check, press any tab, and then after 2-3 clicks, press again dashboard. I hope that you see your photo, your name, and all your details. Okay, so once we have done with that, we will next go to the online applications. When you press the online application, in the drop down menu, the third one, application form to accumulate CRE points, WHO free online courses on COVID-19. Select that, then press OK. You're going to be asked, it will be asked for your CRR number and the date of registration. Get that from your registration certificate, RCI certificate, and press submit. Once you press submit, like previous time, we are going to have all the details that is available with RCI. It will show our CRR number which we just entered. It is going to show our name, address, pin code, email address, phone number, everything. When we scroll down, it is going to show all the courses that the RCI had recommended. Okay, now our job is to select the tick mark here which courses we have attended. So please tick only the courses for which you have certificate. If you don't have certificate, please don't click it. Okay, once you have clicked, scroll down. Now you have to upload the RCA certificates as one single PDF. So make use of the PDF merger, either application in your mobile or using your online website. Merge all the WHO certificates, all your 10 certificates as a single file, and also make sure that you compress the file so that the file size will be lesser. Once you have the single file, upload it here. When you click here to upload, another window will open, so you can choose the file. After you have chosen the file, you have to enter the codes and press submit. Now it is going to show you file upload successfully. If the file is not getting uploaded, it may be in another format, it is not in PDF, or it may be bigger in size. So you have to check that, make appropriate changes, and then upload it again. So after it has shown file upload successfully, it is going to show your name, then your father's name, then your CRR number, and how you have registered, and then press submit. Okay, once you have pressed submit, it will be asking for your payment details. You can pay. For me, it actually, there was a server problem, so I couldn't continue, the payment was stopped. Again, if I enter the details, it is going to tell me an error message that the application already present. So we cannot go back to the payment page directly from that. So now we have another option here called repayment. So we have not made the payment before, okay, or if we have made the payment before but RCA has not received, so the money will come back to you, to your account. So this will be considered as repayment. So you have to check, press the repayment and then select the fourth one, repayment for WHO certificate. Once you press, it is going to show you all the details. Okay, what's the amount? It's 500 for WHO certificate, and was the transaction date, the ID, mobile number, everything. Okay, then press pay fee. Make sure that your name is there because you're paying for yourself, not for anyone else. And then this another window will open. It is going to give you what is the amount that is going to be deducted from your account and who is the merchant. Also make sure that a Rehabilitation Council of India is available here, because if there is any phishing that is happening, it may be different. When you press pay with, it is going to give you a lot of options. I recommend that you take the debit card option, because if you go to net banking, again there can be a failure of payment because of server issues with the bank, and I'm not sure what happens with the credit card, so I recommend going with debit card. Once you have used your entered debit card details, it will send an OTP which is completely connected with your bank, so it has nothing to do with the mobile number that you have entered with the RCI. So once you receive the OTP from the registered mobile number with the bank, enter it here and then press submit. Once you submit, it is going to give you the acknowledgement that they have received the amount that you have paid. Okay, so this acknowledgement is the proof that you have paid for the RCI CRE certificate for the 50 points. When you scroll down, you will have an option to either print or save as PDF. So choose whatever you want, but definitely have a copy of it. Okay, so now you have to wait. You have submitted the application, you have to wait. This dashboard is of someone else, and they have got the WHO certificate, so I thought I would show you that. Immediately when we logged in, we did not find this WHO certificate. As I told you, when you log in, there may be some glitches, there may be some errors in the website, so keep checking with the other tabs, and then after 2-3 clicks, if you go to dashboard, you're going to find this option, WHO certificate. Once you press this, it is going to open up a new window where your RCI certificate will be available. Again, check everything, your certificate number, your name, and 50 CRE points is credited. Okay, so again, download this, take a print, and what happens, what do we do with this certificate now? During renewal, you have to send this certificate for renewal of your RCA certificate. So at that point, you have to send this certificate. So keep it safe. Thank you.